What's going on? I got something in this package that's cheap, but it's also something that you can use and it'll come in handy. So let's check it out real quick. So I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I thought they were expensive, but when I looked on Amazon, this bad boy was $8. And it is a digital tire gauge. So I saw one for $14.99. Then I scrolled down, and this one was the exact same one, but a different name, for $7.99. Let's check some tire pressures. So on the Honda ATC, the tire pressure is supposed to be like 5 psi because it has no suspension. So the suspension is the tires. So this tire has 7.3 psi, which is about on the money. Now something else important on these ATCs, since it has no suspension and a solid axle, is very important that all the tires have roughly the same psi. Because if not, it'll pull hard to one side or another. And on this one, it's 5.5. which is around what it should be. So I need to take 2 psi out of the right side tire. And this one is at 6.3. This makes it a whole lot easier to get quick tire pressure without having to use a manual gauge. And it's only $8. So if you lose it, break it, your feelings won't be too hurt, but it's a cool tool to have. So if you need one and you got $7-8 to spend, I think I saw 2 for $15 or 4 for like $22. I'll put all the links in the description. They all have different names, but they're all the exact same thing. So if you need one, go pick it up. It's pretty cool and handy. Peace.